Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm making this video to update everyone that my latest course titled Data Analytics A to Z with Python is published in Udemy and it is live now. So I want to share few details related to this course. So while going to that, data analytics is we know undoubtedly the buzzword that is creating a lot of hype wherever there is an existence of data. So, according to various sources, data analytics is undoubtedly one of the most trending technologies that people are excited to learn in 2020, and it may get increased in the later years. So, learning data analytics creates a path to become a machine learning engineer or a data analyst or a data scientist. And this course covers data analytics from scratch, including Python programming. So it includes Python that is needed for data analytics and also various libraries in Python to master data analytics. So we will cover Python programming from scratch, also the mathematics that is needed for machine learning with the help of a library called NumPy, and data analytics and data manipulation with pandas. So in this we will learn how to deal with the text data files or Excel data files or CSV data files, whatever that is. So we will know how we deal with data, how we manipulate the data with the help of this Python library. Also we will learn data visualization and graphs plotting with Matplotlib. If you don't know what Matplotlib is, it is a famous library that you use it to visualize the data that you have. And there is no need of any prerequisites to join this course. This is a complete beginner friendly course. So anyone who wants to master themselves in data analytics or machine learning can join this course without any hesitation. And the complete course is beginner friendly, as I already said, and it is easy to understand. It is completely hands-on course which is written by me along with you, um, and from scratch. So I have attached the course link in the description. You can check it out, and the discounted price is valid only for a limited period of time. And yeah, hope you like this, and please share this video so that people who are really interested to learn data analytics may get benefited because of this. Yeah, thanks for it, and please subscribe to the channel and share this video.